Okay, in this video I'm going to ask you to do two things, and it's really important that you understand that what I'm about to ask you to do is actually wrong, but you will understand a little bit later why I'm asking you to do it wrong first of all. Then when we put it right, this whole thing is going to make a lot more sense to you. Now, when we play the game, what we want to happen is for when the ball hits the green block, for it to change direction. Now, to be honest with you, that's easy enough to do, because in fact, we've got that very command here, if you like. In fact, I'm going to give this one to you, in that what we're going to do, actually, am I going to give it to you? No, I'm not going to give it to you. Control. If I am touching, and once again, please don't choose touching colour and green. Please choose the option of green block. If you're touching the colour, then you're going to need to point in direction and you need to flip it round the other way. Don't worry about picking a random number off that one. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. You need to make the ball flip round the other way. But we also need to make the green block disappear. Now once again, I want to emphasize that I'm going to ask you to do something the incorrect way first of all. Okay? It will appear that it works, but trust me, it isn't the right way of doing it. And I might with a fingers crossed be able to prove to you why. It's a little bit hit and miss. Anyway, what we want to do is say, when I am a clone, if I am touched by the ball, then disappear. So the commands that you're going to need are going to be, this time, in control, when I start as a clone, okay, and I've got to keep asking the question forever, if touching the ball, then I need to disappear. So two tasks for you to do. One, make the block disappear. Two, make the ball come back in the direction off the block. Then run your game. And hopefully one or two of you might see a problem. And sometimes you'll find that either the ball doesn't change direction, or more likely, the block doesn't disappear. Fingers crossed it doesn't work for you. Seems an odd thing to say, but I kind of hope that it doesn't. I want to use this to illustrate a point. So go and solve it, play your game. You'll probably find that all of your green blocks disappear, and you'll probably think he's talking rubbish. Trust me, I am not.